Hey, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Aguwa, and you're welcome to Login for Tech YouTube channel. Do you own any Xiaomi devices, be it a smartphone or a pad? Then come closer. This video is just for you. I'm sure definitely if you own one, you will be expecting the MIUI 14 update because whether I like it or not, it is just around the corner, which simply means that in no distant time, we shall be receiving the MIUI 14 update. So we shall be looking at some supported devices or the supported devices from Xiaomi that are eligible to actually get this update. If you own one, then you shall rejoice that if you don't own one, simply put, you can easily go to the market and purchase one for yourself. Like myself, it's no longer news that I own a Redmi Note 10 5G phone because if you're an ardent follower of this channel, I've talked about it most of the time. And this is the more reason why you should be part of this channel. You can simply do that by clicking the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release any videos similar just like this. What we do here is that it's a technology related channel and I bring in tutorials and reviews from the technology world. So once you've done that, automatically you're part of the channel and you start getting updates from me. And if you could remember, all follow up this channel, I actually talked about the MIUI 13 update in this video, which actually I showed you how you can easily update it from your phone, which I did on mine, and that's the one that's currently running on my Redmi Note 10 5G. So, and luckily enough, my phone is also eligible to receive the MIUI 14 update. So a big congratulations to me. Yes, clap for me. So if you own the Redmi Note 10 5G phone, automatically I've given you the info that your phone is eligible to receive the update. So if you don't own one, let's look at the other phones that are supported or that can easily receive this MIUI 14 update once it is available. So simply we will simply move down to our blog post. I actually did a blog post in our blog, which is the Blog Infotech blog. I talked about it here, the MIUI 14 update and the list of supported devices from the Xiaomi. So that's why for my YouTube channel, follow us. I have to briefly brush this up for you to know if your device is here or not. So now, like we all know, one thing about update is that it comes with enhanced features from the previous one. If you'll agree with me, the MIUI 13 doesn't bring anything different from the MIUI 12. So maybe that's the reason why between short distance of time, the company itself decided to push out the MIUI 14. So we shall be expecting that. And from reports, it actually says that it will come in with lots of enhancements, which we are expected to see. They are all rumors at the moment, but they'll become live or well known once we see them. We also talked about the release date. The release date. When will this MIUI 14 be released? According to reports, the MIUI 14 will actually come inbuilt or built in Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro, which will be released announced in November. We simply put that the update itself will also be announced with it, and maybe from then other we start receiving other phones that are eligible for the update. So that's what I'll be looking at in this video. So let me skip. Like you already know, we have three Xiaomi devices, which are the Redmi device, the MI device, and also the Poco. Yeah, that's the reason why you can see we have the MI device, we have let's scroll down, we have the Redmi devices and also the Poco device. As you can see, there are lots of lineup, and which means that your smartphone or your pad will definitely fall among the group. So let's see which and which. The MI devices, we have the Xiaomi 13 Pro, the 13, the 12, and the likes. There are just so many. I don't really want to bore your time in listing them out one by one, but I actually compiled the list, like I said in this blog post. So if you want to get the full list and check if your phone is or your device, be it your pad or your smartphone, is among the list, you can simply go to the description of this video and see the full list. You'll see the link to this very blog post, whereby you can also get other information concerning the MIUI 14 updates, like the release date, what you should know, the features, some features you find in it, and the supported devices from the MI range, the Redmi range, and also the Poco range. So with that, I'm just briefly bringing this as a news to most of you that uses Xiaomi devices and are expecting the MIUI 14 update. So you can simply go to the description of this, like I said, and check the full list through the link through our blog post. And in case you've still yet to do what I said earlier, you can simply hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. This is just a brief video. I'm just giving you an intro for you to know what you expect or the device that should be supporting the MIUI 14 update. So that we've come to the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find this informative enough, and also if you want to contribute, or maybe I don't really want to attend to question in this video, but if you have any contribution you want to make concerning the MIUI 13, the MIUI 12, or any Xiaomi devices that you own, go to the comment sections and tell us about it. So we've come to the end of this video. Like I said from the start, that Chibuzo Agua is my name. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. We'll see in my next video once you've done what I told you to do earlier on. So bye bye for now. Peace out.